Welcome to this essential tutorial on call history management within HAPBX. The Call Detail Records CDR tool provides a complete granular history of all call traffic, critical for monitoring and auditing your telephony system. Let's look at how to generate and utilize these reports. We begin by accessing the reporting area. Navigate to Reports on the main menu, then select CDR Reports and click on the CDR module. At the top, you'll find the filtering section. You can quickly narrow down your dataset by specifying the source, where the call originated, and the destination, where the call terminated. You must also define the specific date range you wish to audit. After defining your filters, commit the changes by clicking the green Refresh button. The system will then load the corresponding call records table below. The call records table is your primary reference point. This table displays the precise date and time the call was placed, along with the caller ID information, clearly identifying the source of the call and its destination. You will also see the DID number that was originally called. The table details the call type and provides two distinct metrics for measuring time: duration, which is the total time from ringing, and talk time, which specifically tracks the answered conversation length. Additionally, you can audit usage via the optional account code and customer code fields, review the final connection status, and access the call recording if available. This table of records can be exported in CSV or PDF format. If recording is enabled for the call, locate the call recording column. Clicking the play icon will open a separate modal window, allowing you to review the audio instantly and use the download button to save the recording file locally. The CDR report is your most powerful tool for monitoring system health and auditing usage history within HAPBX. In our next video, we'll cover how to utilize the advanced filters feature for even deeper reporting. Thank you for watching.